The HSC is a big deal, but it doesn't have to feel like you're doing it alone. I'm Sanjana, a UNSW student and university ambassador. When I was in Year 11 and 12, I wish I knew about the Gateway program. It's free and designed specifically for students like you. It starts right at your school, where a university ambassador, like me, runs an interactive workshop to identify your strengths, explore your options, and see how Gateway can best support you. From there, you get access to the online learning hub, loaded with free study apps, subject-specific resources, and practice exam papers with personalised feedback. Plus, a week of live sessions covering everything from subject-specific masterclasses, faculty and degree information, to writing your personal statement for an early offer to UNSW. And in the winter school holidays, you're invited to spend a day or two on campus. Faculty workshops, academic masterclasses, campus tours. Oh, and we've got lunch and transport covered. And if you're in Year 12, you can apply for an early offer to UNSW through the Gateway admission pathway, with lowered ATAR requirements, financial awards, and dedicated support for your first year of uni. Register now.